Ready to launch your businesses, getting your employer identification number (EIN) is a must. It's your ticket to handling taxes and hiring employees. In just a few simple steps, you can get hassle-free. Let's walk through the process together. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you how to get your employer identification number. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into IRS, and then you click over the first website that appear to you on your browser after diving into IRS. So this is how it looks, or you can just dive into irs.gov and you'll find this page as you can see. So an employer identification number (EIN) is a unique 9-digit number assigned by the Internal Revenue Services (IRS), as you can see, to businesses for tax purposes. It's used to identify a business entity and is required for various activities such as filing taxes, opening a bank account, and applying for business licensing. Alright, right now you have just to click over here, apply for an employer ID number, or you can just click over file and you click over business and self-employed and you will find this page. Well, so here we have tax information for business, tax information, tools and resources for businesses and self-employed. Or just to click over employer ID number, EIN, or you can choose other employment such as taxes here, estimated tax, foreign account tax compliance act FATCA. And here we have other options. Compare your taxes if you want, standard millage rates, business tax credit, deduct expenses, and also we have other option which is file or pay your taxes, run your business as well, and we have business types. So you can choose the one you want, but in this video I will just show you how you can get your employee ID number. So I will click over the first one and you will find this page. Alright, here we have employee ID numbers. We have the definition of employee identification number. EIN is also known as a federal tax identification number and is used to identify a business entity. General business need an EIN. You may apply for an EIN in various ways, and now you may apply online. This is a free service offered by the Internal Revenue Service and you can get your EIN immediately. You must check with your state to make sure you need a state number or charter. So here we have other options if you want to know. For example, do you need an EIN? Do you need a new EIN? Or other things such as how to apply for an EIN, how long will it take to get a number, and other things. So you click over apply for an EIN online and you will find this page. Here you have the steps that you have to follow. Firstly, determine your eligibility. You may apply for an EIN online if your principal business is located in the United States. Then, person applying online must have a valid taxpayer identification number, SSN, ITIN, EIN. You are limited to one EIN per responsible party per day. Then we have the second step, which is understand the online application. You must complete this application in one session as you will not be able to save and return at a later time. Your session will expire after 15 minutes of inactivity and you will need to start over. The third step, which is submit your application. After all validation are done, you will get your EIN immediately upon completion. You can then download, save, and print your EIN confirmation notice. Alright, so you have just to click over apply online now and you find this page as you can see. You have to follow these 5 steps. So right now you have just to choose here what type of legal structure is applied for EIN. You have here before applying for an EIN, you should have already determined what type of legal structure, businesses or type of organization is being established. You choose the type you are applying for. If you don't see your type, select few additional types like that. Or you can just select here sole proprietor or partnerships, corporations, limited liability company, estate, trust as well. Once you do that, you will find other page which is this one. You have chosen sole proprietor. Sole proprietor includes individuals who are in business for themselves or household employers. Read the descriptions below and choose the type of for which you are applying. So we have your sole proprietor or household employer as well. So you choose, for example, the one you want and then you click over continue. So once you choose, here we have sole proprietor or household employer, will find other page, which is this one. Here we have please confirm your selection for of sole proprietor as the type of structure applying for an EIN. Then you click over continue. Once you're done, you will find here this page. Why is the sole proprietor requesting an EIN? Choose one reason that best describes why you are applying for an EIN. For example, start a new business. Select this option if you are beginning a new business. You have also hired employees. Select this option if you already have a business and need to hire employees. As well, banking purposes. Select this option if the reason for applying for the EIN is strictly to satisfy banking requirements or local law. Also, change the type of organization, purchased active business. You click over continue and you will find this page. So here we have authenticate. Please tell us about the sole proprietor. So you have to choose your first name, your middle name or initial, last name, and then we have here suffix. You can just select who we have here: DDS, MD, PhD, GR, SR, I. Here we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as well. Then here choose here SSN or ITIN. As you can see, then choose one here if you are the sole proprietor or you are a third party applying for an EIN on behalf of the sole proprietor. So then you have to done the steps. 3 addresses to link your personal information such as email address, zip code, phone number and other information, then details as well, and the last step, which is EIN confirmation. Then you click over continue and you get started and you get your EIN number. All right, so this is how you can get your EIN number. And so an employee identification number is essential for businesses operating in the United States, serving as a vital identifier for tax reporting and compliance. Obtaining an EIN is a key step for business owners, facilitating various financial and legal processes. Also, we have here other options, like in the file you will find information for individuals, business and self-employed, parties and non-profits, international taxpayers, federal, state and local government. Also, we have a filing for individuals, how to file, when to file, where to file, update your information. Also, we have your popular, get your tax record, apply for an employer ID number, check your amended return status, get an identified protection PIN. Then we have here file your taxes for free as well. Also, we have other options such as payment, for example, pay by a bank account, popular also your online account, tax withholding estimator. Then we have refunds as well, credit and deduction forms and instruction also. Here we have how can we help you. Yeah, we get your refund status, make a payment, use our tax help tool, sign in your account, file your taxes for free, apply for an employer ID number as I did, get your tax record, find forms and instruction, check your amended returns status. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. See you again in the next video.